Did you know you have the power to stop all transactions on your Revolut card with a single tap? That's right. Whether you've momentarily misplaced your physical card, you're worried about an online subscription, or you just want an extra layer of security, Revolut gives you instant control. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to freeze and unfreeze your Revolut card, all in just a few seconds, right from the app. This is one of the most powerful and fastest security features you have at your fingertips, so let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to freeze your card. Step 1. Open the app and head to Cards. Log into your Revolut app. On the home screen, look for the Cards section. Depending on your app version, this is usually an icon that looks like a card in the top right, or a dedicated tab on the bottom menu. Tap on it. Step 2. Select your card. You'll see a list or display of your cards, physical and virtual. Scroll or swipe to select the specific card you want to freeze. Step 3. Toggle the freeze switch. Look for the freeze option. It's usually a clear button or a toggle switch right under the card image. Tap it. Instantly, the card image will likely change color or show a frozen status, and that's it. Any attempted payments using this card, at a shop, online, or a cash withdrawal, will be instantly declined. It's a fantastic safeguard, particularly if you've left your wallet at home and you're panicking. Now, what if you find your card, or you're ready to make a purchase? Time to unfreeze it. The good news is, the process is just as simple and fast. Step 1. Go back to the Cards section. Navigate back to the Cards section in your Revolut app, following the exact same steps as before. Step 2. Select the frozen card. Select the card that currently shows the frozen status. Step 3. Tap Unfreeze. You'll see a clear Unfreeze button or toggle. Tap it once. Just like that, the card is instantly active again, and you can resume using it for transactions. Remember, this freeze and unfreeze feature is your first line of defense against fraud and is a core part of Revolut's security toolkit. Use it whenever you feel uneasy or just want to lock down your spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.